Hi friends, welcome to Global Online Classes YouTube channel. Topic is today enforcement of the Constitution. Subject is today's subject is Indian polity. Chapter is making of the Constitution. Topic is enforcement of the Constitution. See here in this subject, after enactment of the Constitution, the Assembly adopted the draft of the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949. So, in that draft, there was some important articles and preamble and schedules. Those were adopted by the Assembly. That we have to know. This is the enactment of the Constitution. After that, whatever they have taken decision in Assembly, they have to enforce into the community of the India. Because whatever they prepared, preamble, 395 articles and 8 schedules, they are to be implemented in the community of the India. So, for that, how they implemented, how they did the enforcement of the Constitution, we shall see in this subject. Okay. So some of the provisions means already prepared preamble and articles and schedules. Not only that one, that also, and some of the temporary and transitional provisions, provisional parliament, that means in future parliament, temporary and transitional provisions. These are all also they prepared and adopted by the Assembly on November 26, 1949. So, in this subject, if you see, there are two parts. That is, one is the minor part and second one is the major part. What is the minor part? We shall see in this subject. Okay. So, some of the provision of the Constitution pertaining to the citizenship, elections, provisional parliament, temporary and transitional provisions, and short title contained in Article 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392 and 393. These are the minor articles prepared by the Constituent Assembly, and those were enacted in November 26, 1949. Okay, these are called the minor part of the Constitution. Okay, these are the minor part. So, these are the minor parts. They came into force itself The minor part contains articles. Those are the articles. Again, I am repeating. Articles 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392 and 393. These are the articles which are prepared by the Constituent Assembly and adopted. Those came into enforcement on the itself on the November 26, 1949. November 26, 1947. They came itself. Okay. Whenever they adopted Assembly, the Constitution which produced in the Assembly by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the draft already adopted by the Assembly. So these are they treated as minor part of the Constitution. Those came in force in the same date. Okay, that is the 26th, 1949. The remaining provisions, those are they treated as major Constitution. These came into enforcement January 26, 1950. Why they made this one to come in the enforcement of the Constitution on the date of January 26. Okay, January 26, 1950. See, what is the importance it has got? Because at a time they can enforce the Constitution into the community, but they treated as a minor and a major Constitution. So the major Constitution has implemented on 26th January 1950. Why it has? Because it has got some importance. Let us see what importance it has got. Okay. This day, Constitution. This day is referred to in the Constitution as the date of its commencement. Date of its commencement. Date of its commencement. January 26, 1950, the date which is referred in the Constitution as the date of its commencement and celebrated as the Republic Day. Okay? So that it has got the importance. So let us see. There is an importance also on 26th, January 26th, there is an importance day. Let us see what important is the January 26th. January 26th especially chosen as the date of the commencement of the Constitution because of its historical importance. Because January 26th has got a historical importance. What is the historical importance? The same day, in the 1930, the Purna Swaraj Day was celebrated. The following the resolution of a Lahore session, the Purna Swaraj Day on 26th January was celebrated in 1930. Why it has celebrated? Let us see. That resolution was passed. A resolution of what is that resolution? See, Indian National Congress, they had a session in Lahore on December 1929. They passed a resolution in that Lahore session. For that, Purna Swaraj Day was celebrated. Okay? After commencement of the Constitution, some of the acts were repealed. Repealed means vanished. Okay? Which are they? What are the acts? The act is Indian Independence Act of 1947 and the Government of India Act of 1935 with all enactments and amending or supplementing the latter act were repealed. Those are vanishment. Those are vanished. Okay? These two, and also the correcting also the acts which are there, the 1947, 1935, Act of 1947 and the Government of India Act of 1935, both are correcting, that means amending, everything is vanished. Only one act was continued from that. What is that act? That is the Privy Council Jurisdiction Act. Only it was continued. Privy Council Jurisdiction Act 1949. This is the very matter. Privy Council Jurisdiction Act 1949 was continued. So this is the enforcement of the Constitution. Okay. Let us go in Telugu. Telugulo చూద్దాం.